Okay, so we got all the screws out. We're gonna get this first plate off here. I am just gonna use a little screwdriver just to get a little bit of leverage. And we'll see how it's looking back here. So I've got the main board and the power supply exposed now. The only thing that's going to be left is this T-con board, and it actually is under this plastic piece on the back. So we're going to get this off as well, just so we can get to all of the boards. So we should be able to pull this back plate off, and we'll just set it to the side for now. We do want to be careful to make sure that there's not anything wiring wise that's connected to this back plate when we're lifting it off. I don't believe that there is on this unit. We'll set this to the side.